Share my location not working in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix share my location not working. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option and further tap on the location services option, and now go ahead and make sure the toggle button for location services is toggled on. Go back to settings and make sure you are signed in to your Apple ID. If it is showing sign in instead of your name, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Next, fix for this issue is tap on your name banner and then tap on the Find My option there. Here, make sure the toggle button for Share My Location is toggled on. See if your issue was fixed or not. If not, in Settings again, tap on the Screen Time option and then tap on the Content and Privacy Restrictions option. And now go ahead and make sure that Content and Privacy is not enabled. If the toggle button for content and privacy is toggled on, then go ahead and toggle off the button for content and privacy restrictions. And the last fix for this issue is slide down from the right side of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Here, go ahead and enable airplane mode and wait for a minimum of 10 to 20 seconds before disabling it again, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.